Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video I'm going to be discussing how to safely clean your PC computer monitor. This screen obviously is a little bit different than your laptop here. What we want to do is we want to be careful. We don't want to obviously scratch it. We want to carefully do this. First thing you do, this isn't mandatory, but if you do have any big chunks, go ahead and use one of these and go ahead, squirt it around so you don't have any big chunks stuck on there that when you do wipe it, it will drag across your screen. Next thing you could do, if you don't have that, you could take one side of your microfiber cloth and go ahead and just kind of lightly kind of knock it and try to go in one position if you do have big chunks or whatnot. Most of you guys won't have big chunks. Next thing you are going to need, obviously, is a clean microfiber cloth. I will have some of these things linked in the description box right below the video. If you don't have them, you can just pick them up through the link below. All right, next thing we need after the microfiber cloth is we need distilled water. We want it damp, we don't want it dripping, so make sure that you're wringing any excess out. Again, we do not want anything dripping down our screen. Now what we're gonna do with distilled water on our microfiber cloth is we are gonna be going left to right, right to left, or up and down. We don't wanna do swirls. Whatever direction you do choose, you want to stick with that direction. So if you're going left to right, don't then switch it up to north south. If you're going to choose north or south, stick with north or south. For the process of this video, we're just going to go ahead and go left to right. So again, with my damp cloth here, so as you can see, there are all these spots, probably from a Coca-Cola being popped open or something like that. This isn't my screen, but I am selling this screen, so I want to make sure that it's nice and clean for the next person who purchases it. Again, I'm going right to left, left to right, and we might have to do this a few times, you know, with the wet side, of course. See how it's not dripping? It is leaving, obviously, some wet marks on the monitor, but slowly drying there. We do want to dry it with our microfiber cloth here. And what we'll do is we'll do the screen first, and then we'll do the edges. Sometimes dust can get on the edges. And you can go ahead and flip your cloth around using more water if needs be. All right, now we have our dry side. So let's go ahead and do the same method left to right, and we're gonna go ahead and dry this. And that's it there, looking a lot better. Now, obviously we do have a few little light scratches. We did not do that, that was already there. And then there is a small one right here in the middle. All the Coca-Cola is gone. All the nasty dust and debris. We're looking absolutely fantastic. Now this thing is ready to sell. Okay, now if you've tried water and it's just not, whatever's on there is not working for you, okay, the next option is 50% distilled water and 50% white household vinegar. White household vinegar. Mix 50% of the white household vinegar and 50% of the distilled water. Mix that solution up, put it on your cloth first, make sure it's wrung out so it's not dripping, and then try that and then dry it. Hopefully your guys' screen is looking real sharp. Hopefully, guys, the video has helped you get your screen spick and span. Subscribe on your way out and check out the links in the description box below. Again, hit that thumbs up button on your way out. Again, guys, see you on the next video. My name's Chris. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.